Did you ever start off a project thinking, oh, this is gonna be simple? And then you quickly realize that if you're gonna do it right, it's gonna get a lot more complicated. This is one of those projects. My mom had these chairs that she wanted me to take to the dump for her. And I took one look at them and went, oh no, those aren't going to the dump, they're going to my house. Now what you just saw was about 3 days worth of work. It was about 4 to 5 hours of pressure washing, followed by about 10 hours of sanding, taking them apart, and then sanding again to get all the rest of it off. Normally you don't necessarily have to take all of the paint off of something if you want to repaint it, but that mauve color was peeling off. I think it had just been applied, just latex paint without any kind of primer on it, so it had to come off in order for me to repaint them properly for the paint to stick. Now there was one piece that I had to completely recut because it was just rotted beyond the point of being useful. I'm going to take this other one off so I can use it as a template. Other than that, there were a couple of pieces that were cracked that I could fix with some wood glue, and I made some of my homemade wood filler to fill in a couple of other areas. So now that I've got those spots sanded down and finally have some nice weather, I can get to priming and painting. Who's that? Hello! I have another roller if you want help. Now I haven't actually done as many projects like this as you would think, so I asked for suggestions on my Chick Fix group page on the best way to apply the paint in this particular project, and universally everybody said use a disposable foam roller. And I gotta say, they were absolutely right. It doesn't leave brush marks, and it also goes a lot faster than a brush would. Unfortunately, I don't have a paint sprayer. If I did, that would be amazing. So thank you to Lisa Ann and Laura and everybody else who recommended this to me, because you were absolutely right. Which have you already done?
Okay, well what I'm doing right now is I am putting on the second coat on the top side.
Okay.
Alright,
That's a lot faster. 2 people. Appreciate the help.
you're welcome.
It's reassembly day. I'm gonna hit all of this with some just real fine grit sandpaper real quick just to get it nice and smooth. And then I'm gonna try to put it all back together. And I'm really hoping that I can remember how it all goes back together. This is a lot of pieces. I feel like I just cosplayed myself some elf ears. Looks kind of like tuna salad. This poor bug just fell into the primer and is now trying to clean all the primer off itself. Oh, bye con Dios, my friend. My neighbors are out in the backyard right now and they don't even look at me weird anymore. They're so used to me doing this. Hi, Mike.
You filming?
I'm filming you.
I was looking for, there's this chick fix chick.
Oh yeah?
Hoping she'd come do a video on how to clean your blackstone.
Well, as soon as I can get within 10 feet of you, I'll do it, man. We'll start a whole new channel.